I'm Josh with APC Roofing, and today we're in Clermont on this 8,000 square foot multifamily unit. When the HOA gave these 3 homeowners only 60 days to replace their entire roof, we knew we had to do it fairly quickly. So we used 8,000 square feet of certainteed weatherwood. On top of that, they're also going to receive a 10-year workmanship warranty from APC Roofing. Remember, inspections are always free, so if you need help on your next roofing project, call us.